The Honda HR-V has been completely redesigned for the 2023 model year. A larger 2.0-liter engine has replaced the smaller one from the outgoing model. Horsepower is boosted from 141 to 158 for only a slight improvement in acceleration, but the slightly more refined drivetrain helps smooth things out a little more. The new HR-V has much more refined styling both inside and out, following the recently designed Honda Civic and dialing back on all the edges and sharp lines. The interior has also become more refined but still continues the trend of overall comfort and great use of space that helped the 2022 HR-V stand out in the class. More standard tech features and standard safety features also enter the picture. Despite being wider, having a significantly longer wheelbase than the outgoing model, cargo space drops by a few cubic feet, since Honda's fold-flat Magic seats are no longer available. Overview: 2023 marks the first year of the second generation of the Honda HR-V. The first generation HR-V made a name for itself by being typically Honda, comfortable, affordable, and insanely practical without lighting your hair on fire. The new HR-V continues that trend, but it comes with a little more character from its styling update, and a few more features to excite buyers. It competes with other subcompact crossover SUV like the Subaru Crosstrek, Kia Seltos, Hyundai Kona, Mazda CX-30, Jeep Renegade, Chevrolet Trailblazer, Nissan Kicks, Toyota Corolla Cross, Volkswagen Taos, Mini Cooper Countryman, and Kia. In such a crowded segment, the HR-V's much-needed redesign continues to help it stay fresh. Although all of Honda's improvements have certainly reinvigorated buyers' interest in the HR-V, it remains true to its original goal of providing a comfortable ride and great space for its size at an affordable price. As with most others in the class, it is not designed to provide razor-sharp handling or lightning-quick acceleration, but it does just about everything else well. Safety features: 5 stars. As of the time of this writing, neither the NHTSA nor the IIS has given the new HR-V a safety rating. The outgoing model received a 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA, and a rating of good in every category but the side impact and headlight tests from the IIS. With a different design and more standard safety equipment, we expect some improvements in these safety scores. Standard safety equipment included on each HR-V includes the Honda Sensing suite of safety features: automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Additional standard equipment includes a driver drowsiness monitor, automatic high beam headlights, and a rear seat reminder system. Value: 4.55 stars. Despite having one of the highest starting MSRPs in the segment, the HR-V is still a great value compared to others in the segment. Like its larger sibling, the CR-V, the new HR-V does most things well by combining a comparatively large interior, excellent cargo space, plentiful standard features, a great suite of safety features, a comfortable ride, and attractive styling. When fully equipped with all possible options, including AWD, the HR-V we tested neared $33,000. This is less than competitors like the Mazda CX-30, Hyundai Kona, and Jeep Renegade. For most buyers who will not opt for every single piece of extra equipment, average pricing will remain modest, only surpassing its smallest rivals in the class like the Hyundai Venue, Kia Soul, and Chevrolet Trax. Additionally, resale values have proven to remain strong compared to others in the segment. The Kia Soul arguably represents the best value in the segment due to its sub-$20,000 starting MSRP, its vast amount of cargo space, and its warranty, though it does not offer the fit and finish resale value or all-wheel drive that the HR-V does. Tech features: 5 stars. Tech offerings on the new HR-V are an improvement over the outgoing model, but do not expect too much of the latest and greatest tech at this price point and size. Still, its standard features list is good compared to many others in the segment: a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 7-inch digital gauge cluster, automatic climate control, push-button start, hill start assist, LED headlights, and LED taillights to round out the standard tech features list. Practicality: 4.55 stars. It is hard to get past the removal of Honda's Magic seats and fewer cubic feet of cargo space from the previous generation, but the HR-V remains one of the most spacious and practical vehicles in the segment. Buyers still get 24.4 cubic feet of cargo area with the back seats upright, and 55.1 cubic feet with the rear seat. Front legroom and headroom are great for a vehicle of this size, while second row legroom is less accommodating yet still generous for a subcompact SUV. Entry and exit are just as accommodating due to the HR-V's upright stance, and overall seating comfort is good. Styling and design. 4 or 5 stars. Exterior styling is modern, yet reserved, much like the Civic on which the HR-V is based. It looks much more like a normal SUV than its hatchback-like predecessor, drawing many similarities to the Ford Escape and Toyota Corolla Cross. A small grille is a refreshing touch, as many new vehicles have overly large grilles that detract from the rest of their design. Interior styling is clean, simple, and upscale for a vehicle at this price point. Much like the CR-V and Pilot, the overall interior layout is simple and intuitive, with nice soft touch points all over and a general lack of cheap-looking materials. Fuel efficiency, 3 stars. Perhaps surprisingly, the HR-V falls to around the middle of the class when it comes to fuel economy. Front-wheel drive models return EPA estimates of 26 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway for a combined rating of 28. All-wheel drive models only suffer slightly, returning estimates of 25 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. These estimates are slightly lower than those of the outgoing model, and competitors like the Kia Seltos, Toyota Corolla Cross, Kia Soul, and Hyundai Kona achieve better fuel economy estimates. Even the larger Honda CR-V has its smaller sibling beat by 1 or 2 miles per gallon depending on the selected drivetrain option. What's it going to cost me? Honda has kept the HR-V simple by offering 3 trim levels, 1 less than the outgoing model. There continues to be one standard engine regardless of which trim level buyers choose. A 158 horsepower 2.0-liter engine that produces 138 lb-ft of torque. It is paired with a CVT automatic transmission on each trim level. All HR-V models come standard with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is a $1,500 option that can be equipped on any trim level. A $1,245 destination charge is applicable on all HR-V models. Standard safety equipment included on each HR-V includes the Honda Sensing suite of safety features. This includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. A driver drowsiness monitor, automatic high-beam headlights, and a rear seat reminder system also come as standard. The base model Honda HR-V LX starts at $24,895 for front-wheel drive models and $26,395 for all-wheel drive models. Moving up to the Honda HR-V Sport will cost buyers $26,895 for front-wheel drive models and $28,395 for all-wheel drive models. On top of the equipment from the LX, the HR-V Sport adds blind spot monitoring with a rear cross-traffic alert to its list of safety features. It also adds heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, remote start, a 6 stereo audio system, heated side mirrors, black 18-inch sport wheels, slightly wider tires, and a sport grille. The top-of-the-line Honda HR-V XL trim starts at $28,695 for front-wheel drive models and $30,195 for all-wheel drive models. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and leave your comment in the comment section below. What do you think about this particular model?